My name's Amy with Train with Kane. Thank you so much for joining me here today as we get ready to go do some step-ups. The equipment that you need for a step-up is a step. You could also use a curb outside and some weights if you want to perform this weighted. Okay, with the step-up, you want to take your right leg and use all that weight, drive that knee, and lift it up. Back down with that right leg. Right back up with that right leg. Everything is on the right side. You go up with your right, down with your right foot. Up with your right, down with your right. You can go 10 on one side, and then you're gonna switch it. Left, up with your left, down with your left. Up with your left, down with your left. With these step-ups, you wanna be able to drive from that leg and bring it back down. It's not a race. You want to make sure you're steady, your back is straight, and you're really driving from your knees and your legs. This is Amy with Train with Kane. Thank you so much for joining me on my weighted step-ups. Subscribe below if you want to follow me for more.